Hey friends, if you wish to fix the bad image error on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to update Windows. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side and click on check for updates in the right pane. The next solution is to perform an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator to open the elevated command prompt window. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. The last solution is a system restore. Search for recovery in the Windows search bar and open the recovery window. Click on open system restore. Select choose a different restore point, next select a good restore point, next, and finally click on finish to initiate the system restore process. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.